Meteorologist Carl Spring here with you on Friday. Well, as you know, or as you might know, we're under a winter storm watch. Now, similar to a thunderstorm watch or tornado watch, a watch means that there could be some inclement weather on the way. A warning means that there is some inclement weather on the way. Winter storm watch, what we're talking about is, of course, a snow event starting late Saturday night and pretty much all day Sunday. More on that in a moment. First of all, for today, Friday, December 7th, by the way, so do keep in mind all the folks who gave their lives on December 7th, 1941. We should all be thankful for that. Even though it was a long time ago, a lot of folks still have great remembrances of that day. Keep those folks in your mind. And if you see any of them, say thank you. Also for today, cloudy skies, northwest winds 10 to 15, high about 28 degrees. So not a bad day. Tonight down to about 24. Now Saturday, partly sunny, but more clouds later in the day because a low pressure system for our southwest is heading this way, bringing with it that chance for snow, likely on Saturday night and Sunday. So Saturday, partly sunny, more clouds later, high about 30 degrees. Saturday night, the east winds pick up, and the snow begins late Saturday night. And then I think, probably, that winter storm watch will become a winter storm warning. And on Sunday, we're looking to get somewhere around 6 inches of snow, give or take a little bit. Snow, of course, is very tricky if you're a meteorologist. If we predict 3 and we get 10, you're like, what were they thinking of? They missed that one by quite a bit. If we say 10 and we get 3, you're like, what were they thinking about? They missed that one by quite a bit. So snow's tricky in that way. But it looks like if you take all the models together, we should be somewhere around 6 inches, give or take an inch or two. Probably more by the lake. We'll, with east winds, we'll have some lake enhancement as we go through the day on Sunday too, but around 6 inches. And then getting real windy, strong northwest winds behind the low pressure system, northwest 30 miles an hour, so quite blustery Sunday night. If you're heading back from the Vikings game on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, it'll be kind of rough going. And then on Monday, high pressure moves in, cold. Monday, sunny, windy, with a high of 15 degrees. Normal high and low are about 25 and 11. We'll warm up into the 20s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then 2 clippers coming through. Chances for little shots of snow on Tuesday and Thursday also. So, but it'll be cool enough where I think this snow will now stay. So, that's a look at the weather forecast for today. Again, please keep in mind the veterans today on December 7th. And thanks for being here. Maybe you're here on HowieBlog.com or DuluthWest.com or CarlSpringWeather.com. Wherever you're seeing this, thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Have a good day and get ready for the snow. See ya.